Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are healthy, wealthy, and fine, and highly excited to learn more about Islamic manners. Today, we will learn about Islamic manners and etiquettes for leaving and entering home. You know that home is the most beautiful thing that Allah Almighty has given to us in this world. So we should be very much in love with our home. And when we go out of the home, we shall ask permission. We should get permission from our respected parents because it is important. And we should also inform our siblings because Islam always want our protection. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ gave utmost importance to parents. So we should get permission from parents before leaving home, and we should also inform our siblings. Okay? And we should read the dua before leaving home. What is the dua? The dua is Bismillahi. Read with me. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah. Again, Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. One more time. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Let's read its translation. I place my trust on Allah, and there is no might, no power except Allah. You should keep this translation, this meaning in your mind. Again, I place my trust in Allah, and there is no might, no power except with Allah. Then we should read Ayatul Kursi and get protection of angels, because when we read Ayatul Kursi, Allah Almighty appoint 2 angels for our protection. Allahu la ilaha illahu al-hayyul qayyum la ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ardh man zalladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi'idhni ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum wa la yuhituna bi shay'in min 'ilmihi إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. Yes, beta, you should memorize this dua, this Ayatul Kursi, and always try to read Ayatul Kursi when you go out of home. Now we will learn how our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered his home. What was the sunnah of our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes, we should knock the door nicely, and we should wait patiently, and we should not be in hurry, and we should not knock the door again and again. And then we should read home entrance dua. Bismillahi. Read with me. Bismillahi walajna. One more time. Bismillahi walajna. Wa bismillahi kharajna. Wa ala rabbina tawakkalna. One more time. Bismillahi kharajna. Wa bismillahi walajna. وَعَلَىٰ رَبِّنَا تَوَكَّلْنَا. We should read this dua. Okay, we can read Bismillahi walajna wa Bismillahi kharajna one after other. and we should read وَعَلَىٰ رَبِّنَا تَوَكَّلْنَا. Then we should enter a home and we should say salam loudly and happily, Assalamu alaikum, and we should have smiley face. Okay, smiling is the sunnah of our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then we should step inside with the right foot, and we should put the bag and keys on the right and proper place. Okay, I hope that you have learned very much about the manners and etiquettes of entering and leaving home, and inshallah you will follow it and you will learn the du'as and Ayatul Kursi. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.